Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to sell courses on Udemy. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is of course go to udemy.com, and then you're going to create your account by simply clicking on sign up over here. In this sign up page, you're only going to need to enter your full name, email, and then password. Now, if you already have an account, simply go to login over here and log in through the way that you would like to log in. Now, after logging in or signing up, you will be able to be redirected back to their homepage over here. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to click on Teach on Udemy over here on the top right and simply click on this. And over here, as you can see, you will become an instructor and then you will be able to start selling courses in Udemy. Now, let's go and click on Get Started. Now, in this section, as you can see, it will ask you a series of questions. It's going to ask you to share your knowledge. Now, over here, the first question is, what kind of teaching have you done before? You have the impersonal, informally, in-person, professionally, online, or other. Let's say online, then click on Continue. And over here, how much of a video pro are you? Are you a beginner? I have some knowledge, I have experience, or I have videos ready to upload. Now let's say I have experience, I'm an experienced video producer, and click on continue. And over here, do you have an audience to share your course with? You have the not at the moment, I have a small following, I have a sizable following. Let's go with not at the moment. Let's say we want to start from scratch and we don't have any background or any audience to share our content with. So let's click on continue and let's proceed. And over here, as you can see, you could create your course over here right away. You could create an engaging course, start with a video, build your audience, and now join the new instructor challenge over here. Now there are some options over here like would allow you to be more knowledgeable, like you could send them a test sample over here and you will get an expert feedback. You could go to the community and like talk to other instructors. You could go to teaching center wherein you will learn about the best practices for teaching in Udemy. You could have a marketplace insights and help and support over here. So let's create our first course. Now we're simply going to click on create your course. And then over here, as you can see, we can choose from course or practice test over here. On course, you could create rich learning experience with help of video lectures, quizzes, and coding exercise, and etc. For the practice test, you could help students prepare for certification exams by providing practice questions. So for now, we're going to go with course because that is our topic for today's video, how to sell courses in Udemy, and simply click on continue. Now, you're going to have to enter a working title. Now, it's okay if you can't think of a good title now, you can change it later, so you don't have to worry about the topic or the title in the initial stages. You could edit them later on. So for now, we're going to go with trial video for course, just like that. But for you, you're going to have to enter a title for the specific course that you're trying to create. After this, you're going to click on continue. And over here, we're going to select a category that best fits the knowledge that we will like to share. Now, this is completely up to you depending on the type of topic or the type of course that you're trying to produce. Now, for example, I'm going to produce like a design type or a design category. Then click on continue. And over here, how much time can you spend creating your course per week? Now, let's say we have our different answers over here depending on the schedule for you personally. The first option is I'm very busy right now. You have 0 to 2 hours that you could spend to your course per week. You have 2 to 4 hours for our work on this on the side. You have a lot of flexibility, which is 5+ hours, and I haven't decided if I have time. So depending on your situation, depending on your circumstance, you could choose any of these options. Make sure that you choose the most accurate one to be able to inform Udemy on how you would like to proceed with being an instructor. So let's say I don't have a decide, or let's say I haven't decided yet. So let's click on create course this time. Now over here, we will be able to begin our course. Now we have the intended learners. We have here, we will be able to plan our course. our intended learners, course structure, setup and test video. And then over here, we will create your content by filming and editing your curriculum, having captions, accessibility, and then finally, course landing pages, pricing, promotions, and course messages over here. This is how you will be able to proceed from top to bottom. Now, as you can see, the first step is to edit our intended learners. The following description will be publicly visible, as you can see. So, what will student learn in your courses? You're going to have to enter at least 4 objectives or outcome that the students or learners can expect to achieve after completing your course. You can simply type in whatever over here. So, let's say for the first one, they would learn about design output, and like you could put whatever you would like. I'm just going to put in random stuff for now, and so that we could proceed with our other content so that I could show you what they could learn. And you can simply add more to your response if you would like to add more over here. If you don't want, you can simply remove that. As you can see here also, you could click on delete over here, or you could rearrange them depending on how you would like the arrangement to be. And over here, what are the requirements or prerequisites for taking your course? There will be like some requirements over here. For example, the topic that you're trying to create is for professional level. Of course, you're going to have to tell it over here because you don't want beginner learners to be able to start learning your course right away, because they will be very lost without the knowledge of being a professional or being a higher level of the specific category. And over here, who is this course for? You could put it over here as well. Then you could go to your course structure. And over here, this is where you can plan everything out. You can plan your course carefully. You could create a clear learning path for students and help you once you film. Take down the details of each lecture, including your skills that you'll teach, estimated length, video length, practical activities to include, and how you will create your introductions and summaries. You could put it over here, as you can see here. And you have your setup and test video. You could upload your test video over here, and you will receive expert review. And you have your film and editing, curriculum, caption, and all of those stuff. And then after that, after filling in all the information over here, make sure that everything is good to go. You simply click on submit for review, and then this will be submitted to professionals into Udemy itself, and they will review your course, and they will be the one who decide if your course is good enough or if it needs some polishing. And if ever it does get published, you will now be able to start selling your courses in Udemy. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.